Dear friends, I once again welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Davi. This is our legal disclaimer. Thanks friends for your kind affection and the suggestion. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed episode number 1, 2 and 3 and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. This is the present condition of the world. 15.58 million persons are affected with the COVID-19 and nearly 6.35 lakh persons are died due to corona or the COVID-19. The nations are racing with each other. The United States on top, Brazil, India, Russia, South Africa, Peru, Mexico, Chile, 196 countries across the globe is affected due to the corona. These are the episode number 1, 2 and 3 in the nutshell. Technique number 1, do Ujjayi breathing, the oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing, use of the available energy to fight with the corona. Technique 2 is do Indian yogic technique named Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing. It will generate the energy, the generation of the energy will be there. What is the meaning of the energy? It is the body electricity or the chi energy, and it will be utilized to fight with the corona or the COVID-19. Technique 3 is do the Indian yogic technique Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing. It will help in stabilization of the energy and the digestion of the energy in our human body. Technique 4 is use the traditional vegetarian food or the vegetarian herbs like the Indian Ayurveda with the generated energy. The effect of that particular food or the effect of that particular vegetarian herb will get multifold with the increased level of the energy. Still miles to go to fight with the corona. And I can now ask to you that what was the result experienced by you by using the technique number 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Dear friends, it is the time of the emergency of the COVID. That's why I will not waste any moment of the time and I will just explain it without asking to you. That's why it will be the open book exam. And certain and the guaranteed effects you have faced if you have done religiously. However, the result variation is based on your own devoted time, existing body energy level, chi level, your own faith and the many other reasons we will see in the future. You have certainly 101% experienced vibrations and the tingling, repeating vibrations and tingling in your human body. When doing these breathing techniques, especially during the Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing, it is said that you cannot do the Bhastrika breathing greater than 10 to 15 minutes. If you can do it, you will feel the burst of the energy. You cannot understand me if you will just read it, listen it and just get this information only. If you will do it and practice it, you will understand what I am saying. And certainly due to these techniques, you are feeling lighter due to the more energy. Your sleep pattern will be changed something. Your sleep requirement will be lessened and you will feel some good factor. Feel good factor will be there. You do not know why this is, but due to the increase in the positive energy, due to increase in the chi energy, you will feel good very much, and your immunity will be very much stronger, and you will be keep distance from the illness and the cure of the existing illness. Whatever is the type of the illness, we are talking about the COVID also, but you are able to heal yourself with this chi energy, this generated energy or this body electricity. Kindly trust on me. This is the technique number 5. Concentrate limited generated energy on your breathing circuit only with the closed eyes to fight with the corona or the COVID-19. The effect will be there. You will feel energy vibration in your breathing circuit. Dear friends, I am once again repeating, I have to cure my full body. Agreed. But that can be cured after the corona itself. Once I will fight with the corona and I will keep distance with the corona, I will have the life balance with me to deal with the other problems, to deal with the other human body problem. That's why I will repeat, kindly concentrate on the breathing circuit only with this particular energy. The effect will be you will feel energy or the vibration in your breathing circuit. The more your concentration capabilities are, more will be the vibration and will be last longer and will be last for the longer duration, and the effect will be happen if you will feel it. Dear friends, you are clearly seeing that I have cutted the do it and think it. We will describe it in the future episodes. Do it, you have done it in the technique number 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Okay, thinking is the work of the mind. Whether the corona is related with the mind, no, it is not the brain related problem. This is the problem with the breathing circuit. That's why no need of the thinking at all. If you have generated the energy with the doing, kindly feel the energy, feel feel in the breathing circuit. The effect will be multifold. And this is once again the food for the logical brains. Although we are talking about the super logics, super emotions and the things which are beyond the logics, but there are the humans which believe in the logic. First their logical brain will be satisfied, then they will do the things, and if they will feel good, then they will do more to that techniques. That's why let us see why the limited. The 99.99% of the viewers have not done work on these techniques. If you have done for the limited time, that's why you had the very limited energy or the body electricity or the chi energy. You have very limited energy to use or to use in the day to day life only. You do not have the bulk of the energy, burst of the energy. Why concentration? Use of the very limited energy which you have acquired for a bigger task of the defeating corona or the COVID-19. Every drop is precious in this pandemic. Kindly do not misuse it in the other things. Why the breathing circuit only? Many more usage of this energy is there. We will talk in the future episodes. But the need of the hour is to fight with the corona or the COVID-19. As the corona is limited mainly to the breathing circuit only. Why the feeling instead of the thinking? The brain works for the thinking and the biggest consumer of the energy. Hence the feel the breathing circuit instead of the mere thinking. Do not waste your energy in the mere thinking. Kindly use it in the breathing circuit so that you can get the cure from the corona. The problem is not related with the brain. Why the closed eyes? The closed eyes are helping in the conservation of the energy. The 1 unit of the energy saving is equal to the 1 unit of the energy generation. Why the vibration? The energy works in the form of the vibrations. More the energy will be there, more the vibrations will be there. That's why it is required. This is the sub technique number 6. I have clearly mentioned this is as a sub technique. What is the meaning of the sub technique and what is the difference in between the technique and sub technique? Sub technique, if you will do it, the effect will be more and more. If you will do not do it, no problem at all. You can skip the 6 and 7 technique, 7 sub technique. The 6th sub technique is when you are at the peak of the energy and the full of the vibrations. Repeating, when you are at the peak of the energy and the full of the vibrations, again start Anulom Vilom breathing or the alternate nostril breathing mentioned in the technique 3. It will help to concentrate you and your precious energy to the breathing circuit only. Okay, if you will do the alternate nostril breathing, then the energy will be concentrated on your nostril or the breathing circuit only, and the corona is related with the breathing circuit. That's why that generated energy will be help in the to fight with the corona. This is the sub technique number 7. Use the Mulabandha or the root lock in the English with the energetic or the vibrative stage of the body if possible. The sub techniques are, if possible, do it. If not possible, do not do it. Repeating, use the root lock technique with the energetic or the vibrative stage of the body. It will help in keeping the energy in the upper part of the body only. It will help in the keeping the energy in the upper part of the body only. This will prevent the energy wastage in the lower part of the body. Okay, kindly Google it or the YouTube it for more details and for the more learning. The world knowledge is at your fingers. Kindly get benefited by it. Effect will happen if you do it. We will see a very small video that how to do the how to understand the Mulabandha. Okay.
Welcome to Yogetic. My name is Esther, and today I'd like to remind you to use Mula Bandha or root lock in your practice. Some of you may be familiar with it but not use it, and others may not know what it is, so let me explain. In yoga they use 3 locks. Today I'm just going to talk about the first one, which is the Mula Bandha, the root lock. I also call it lift because you don't really, it's just a better way of explaining it. So the root lock sits in the pelvis, it sits in the perineum. The perineum is about the area that you want to pull up, so it's between the anus and the genital area. So in yoga you want to pull that area up. It's women know it from childbirth or practicing Kegel exercises, and everybody knows it. If you really need to go to down, you want to stop the flow. It's that kind of pull up like that. I need to keep it up. And that's what we use in yoga as well. So if you just gently, it's not completely locking yourself in it, it's a gentle pulling up. If you practice that with me right now, you practice it sitting or standing, you just pull up that area. You can feel immediately how it helps to sit up straight and stronger. It makes you feel a little bit more together. And what also happens, it engages the muscles in the lower belly, and it also engages the lower back. So you pull up the pelvic floor, the lower belly pulls in at the same time, and the lower back pulls in a little bit at the same time. So you can understand how holding that is for all the organs and how strengthening that is. It's used a lot in pranayama, in breathing exercises, to prevent the energy from leaking, as they call it. But within all the asanas, the yoga poses, it just helps to create stability, to work with your core. And it could really transform your practice. If you jump, for example, from a downward facing dog to your forward fold, it just helps to jump. You just fly a little bit easier. In any kind of inversions, it will help with balance, it will help with strength. So the best thing to do is just try it out, use it for everything. Whenever you think about it, you'll forget, so do I sometimes, and then you remember, and you'll bring it back in. But keep reminding yourself to use the Mula Bandha. It can really transform your practice, especially with poses that you find difficult, that you can't seem to get. Okay, I hope I inspired you to start using your root lock, your Mula Bandha. Namaste.
Dear friends, we have just seen how to do the Mulabandha or the root lock in a small video. If you have further doubts, you can refer the Google and the YouTube, and the effect will happen if you do it. And this is once again the summary. Technique 1, do the Ujjayi breathing, use of the available energy. Technique 2, do the Bhastrika breathing or the bellow breathing, generation of the energy will be there. Technique 3, do the alternate nostril breathing or the Anulom Vilom breathing. This will stabilize and digest the energy in your body. Technique 4. Use the Ayurveda herbs or the vegetarian food with the generated energy. Technique 5. Concentrate your limited generated energy on the breathing circuit only. Sub technique 6. Use the Anulom Vilom breathing once again with the energetic state. Okay, and sub technique number 6 is use the Mula Bandha or the root lock with the energetic or the vibrative stage of the body. And the technique 8 will be king of all techniques. Certainly we will throw the light in the next episode, and I can say this is the king of all the techniques. These techniques are looks very simple but yet very powerful in the result if you do it. The Masha is also like that only. Knowing is very good, dear friends, but doing is always better and the best. I hope that these techniques will help you to fight with the corona. And the corona and the COVID-19 series episodes will be continued. The Armageddon against the corona negative energy will be certainly won by the humanity. The Titanic will not sink this time, I can guarantee for it, and the Noah's Ark will once again touch the land after this catastrophic situation, and at last we will be in the peace. If there is any kind of the questions, doubts, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. Whatever is the kind of the questions related with any dimension of the life, kindly feel free to ask from me. Whether you are Homer Simpsons or from the South Pole is there, or the Dr. Minnie Mouse from the North Pole, you can ask very easily from me. Thank you very much, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.